Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to reassign a listing template in AdLister. Sometimes it happens to post a product in the wrong listing template, so you will need to reassign that in the correct one. There are a few easy steps that you need to do in order to reassign a listing into a new listing template. You need to go into the listings page and highlight the listing you want to reassign. After that, click on Actions drop-down. Scroll down until Reassign Listing Template option appears. Once clicked on this button, a small pop-up window will appear with a drop-down. From the drop-down, you select the desired listing template and just simply click on Reassign. To check what you have done, you can simply hover over Listings and select Listing Templates. This will take you to a page where you can check all your listing templates. In the middle of the page, you will see a listed column. There, you will see numbers with a green color. That shows you the number of products listings that you have in that particular listing template. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos. Visit our websites in the links below. And also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos.